Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, class, how you are? How are you?
We are
We
fine,
are
sir.
fine.
What about you?
I'm also fine. So, everybody, today, are you willing to learn grammar?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, in my last class, I have taught you tense, but I haven't completed that one. So, in examination, I have given you question from where everybody. I have given you question from simple form of grammar. Okay. So now today in this class, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn continuous form of grammar. What we are going to learn, Sudarshan?
Continuous form of flower.
Certain.
Yes, continuous form of tense, or we can say that continuous form of verb. Okay. So now see everybody, in this class we are going to learn continuous form of tense, which is very important when you speak English. Okay. So some of the student, yes, some of the student, you are not showing your face. Please show me your face clearly. Okay.
Number how many?
Page number 113. Turn it fast. Grammar book 113. Not new pathway. Okay.
The 1 through 13 or 30.
113. Clear? Which page number, Nishan Bhatta?
Page number 113.
Yes, 113. Okay, 1313, not 30. Okay, like this. Okay. So, class, have you drawn page number 113?
No.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
Yes.
114, sir.
Yes.
Sir, page number 114.
Okay, okay. Yes. Class, just see this one, 114. Okay. So, see everybody, we are going to read this one. Page number is 114. Okay. I have seen down one. Okay. So, see class, in last classes, we have discussed about simple form. Simple form means general or common form. So in this class, we are going to learn continuous form. Okay, continuous form means what, everybody? It is a apurna action in Nepal. Okay, in Nepali it is apurna. Apurna means adhuro, but likewise same type of action we are going to learn in English. So we are going to learn present continuous and past continuous, and then after how to change sentences from present continuous to past continuous and past continuous to present continuous. That also I will teach in this class. Okay, I want teach you future, I want teach you perfect form, I just want to teach you continuous form. So everybody, are you ready, class?
Sir, the work is
Yes,
not
sir.
complete. Is being done
Which one?
continuous. The work that is not completed but is being done is called continuous.
Okay. Yes, continuous form I will teach. So, Clarissa, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tense continuous form. Okay. Tense continuous form. Okay, like this. So see everybody, in this class we are going to discuss tense continuous form. At first, I want to know whether you are seeing my screen or not.
Yes, sir.
Is it
Yes,
yes?
sir.
Is it clear to you? Okay.
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
sir.
Class, please. Abhipsa. Okay, okay. Very good. So now see everybody, I am going to teach you continuous form. So class, yes. let me write some helping verb. Okay, let me write some helping verb. So first I will tell about the helping verb, and then after I will teach you continuous form. Okay, so now see everybody. Yes,
On this page number 114.
yes, very good. Okay, so now see everybody, present continuous. Okay, present continuous means what everybody? Divas, where are you
That
looking?
is in the
The boss.
present time.
Okay, so now see everybody, present continuous means what? Present continuous means those type of action which is ongoing on present time. Okay, ongoing means what? That action which is not completed, which you are doing. So your online class finish or you are still studying? Tell me.
So
No, it is. Sorry,
Yes.
it is. We are.
Yes, it's
We are on.
okay, it's ongoing means it's running. Okay, it is not stop, it's running, it's moving. So if the action is moving and going ongoing, then after we say continuous action. So if the action of past is continuous, then after that is past continuous. Okay, if the action is continuing, if the action is ongoing in the present time, then after what we say everybody? We can say that is present continuous. So if the action of future is moving, or if the action of future is ongoing, that means that is future continuous. But in this class I will let you know which verb and which main verb, which helping verb we have to use for changing present continuous into past continuous into present continuous, and also I will teach you formula and examples and helping verb which we have to use in this class. Understood, Clarissa?
yes, sir.
And class, when I speak in the time, my sound is coming clear or barrier?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Okay. So now see everybody, let me do like this. Okay. So yes. Okay. Let me write formula, and then after I will write helping verb. Okay. Subject plus, oh, not equal, subject plus is r comma m.
Subject plus E/M/R
Okay.
Plus
O
buffer.
B G. Yes.
buffer.
Sorry. Mistake only. Okay. Yes. Before. Okay. So everybody see here. What is wrong here? This line is wrong. Okay. So now see everybody. In present continuous or in future continuous and in past continuous, we use verb 4. Verb 4 means what everybody? Verb 4 means ing form. Okay, do plus ing doing, make plus ing making, create plus ing creating, kill plus ing killing, work plus ing walking, talk plus ing talking. So ing represents continuous form, and also it is called verb 4. So ing form is called what? Sohan Adhikari. Yes, Sohan. ing form means what? ing form means which verb? Verb 1, verb 2, verb 3, verb 4, verb 5. ing form which verb?
Sir, ing verb.
Yeah.
Verb 5.
See on my screen.
Sir, verb 4.
Yes, verb 4. Okay. ing form means verb 4. Okay. So now see everybody, in present continuous we use each rm. Yes, each rm plus before plus object. Okay. So likewise in Nepali, what we use everybody? See everybody, in continuous action what we use? Dai, taidai, khadai, suddai, bhandai, urdai. Like that we use. But in English, what we use? we use ing. ing also tells गर्दै खाँदै भन्दै. Okay, doing means गर्दै, eating means खाँदै. So same one. So in Nepali तैदै and in English ing form. But we have to write ing form after the verb, not after the noun. Okay, so in the continuous form of tense, we always have to use ing form of verb, which is also known as verb 4. Verb 4 means ing form. Verb 5 means es or s form. Okay, everybody understood what I mean, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So now see everybody, formula of present continuous is what everybody? Subject plus is are, yes.
M plus verb 4 plus object.
Okay, very good. So now see everybody, according to this formula, okay, so according to this formula, I am going to write some sentences on my screen, and then after what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna explain, and I'm gonna use where to use is, where to use are, and where to use am. That I'm gonna teach you in this class. Okay, so now see everybody, is are am is what? It's a helping verb of continuous form, which is also called auxiliary verb. Okay, auxiliary verb and helping verb same. Is are am is auxiliary or helping verb. Okay, so in continuous form we always have to use either is, either are or am. Okay, we have to use, then after doing form we have to use he is do his work. Is that correct? No, it is not correct. He is doing.
Sir, once okay.
Okay.
Once okay.
Okay. So now see everybody, what I'm gonna do now, look at here. Okay, according to this formula I'm going to write different sentences. Okay, you see here. Okay, EG. EG means what everybody? Examples. Okay, at first I will use is, and then after I will use are, and then after I will use am. Okay, so now see everybody, according to formula, let me create some sentences. See here. Sisir, if your mic, okay, he's going somewhere. So now see everybody, EG. Okay, eats. He slash she slash eat. Okay, he she eat. Okay, so now see everybody, he she eat is going to Nepal. That means he is going to Nepal, she is going to Nepal, and it is going to Nepal. Understood everybody? He she it. In third person we have to use is. Okay, we are not allowed to use is with are. We is friend. Is that correct? Siddharth
No, sir.
No, it is not correct. Okay, so now see everybody, in third person he she it, we can write it. It represent singular one. Okay, so is always tells us singular.
Sir, is it the I think?
Yes, he see it and name a person. Okay, he see it and name a person, we have to use it. Okay, Sudarshan is a good boy. Sudarshan is going to Pokhara. Okay, he is going to Pokhara. She is going to Pokhara. It is going to Pokhara. He see it, we have to use it. Okay, he is, she is, it is, and then after name a person. Okay, Ram is, Sita is, Sohan is, Shishir is. Okay, understood everybody? Whatever I am telling, understanding you, are you getting my point clearly or not, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yes. So now I am going to write example number 2. Okay, yes. So now see everybody, where to use are, that one I will explain in this class. Okay, are. Yes. Don't write over there, okay?
Go to is continuous.
Please. Okay. So now see everybody, see here, see example number 2. We, they, you, 2 people are going to Nepal. So now see everybody, we are going to Nepal, they are going to Nepal, you are going to Nepal, and 2 people are going to Nepal. Okay. So now see everybody, in plural we have to use are. Okay, and in singular, in third person, we have to use is. He, she, it, and name of person, we have to use is. Okay, and for are, we have to use we, they, you, 2 person. Okay, so now see everybody, we are going to Nepal, they are going to Nepal, and 2 people are going to Nepal. Okay, so are tell us plural thing and is tells us singular thing. So he, she, it, we have to use is, and we, they, you, 2 person, we have to use are. Understood everybody? Clear now? Clear here? Class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So class, if you have any confusion, you can tell me.
Oh,
Okay.
no.
Yes, what
Sir, I'm
confusion?
being confused.
Okay, where? Tell me.
Sir, in that, just now you was teaching, no?
Yeah.
With the you in that.
Yeah, that one confused? Okay. So see everybody, yes. Okay. See, Sudarshan didn't understand that this one. Okay, I will write like this, okay, for him. Sudarshan, see here. Okay. See here, okay, Sudarshan?
Okay.
We are going to Nepal. Okay. Yes. See, Sudarshan, see here, and another one is see. Sudarshan, see here. Whenever yes, if you ask question in that time, you have to see. Okay. So class, see, I am using capital letter. Okay. It looks nice. Okay. I have to show big large word so that I am using capital word. Okay. So now see, Sudarshan, see here. Sudarshan will see. Sudarshan, you see. Okay.
Okay. Oh, sir, Nito, you are making of 3-1 that we, they, you. You are making of that 3-1 example.
Yeah. Okay. So now see everybody. Okay, look at here. See here everybody. Okay. So I write this one. See everybody. We, they, you, 2 people are going to Nepal. That means, see everybody, where to use are. Are is always used with we, they, you, and plural things. If there is 2 person, that is plural. So are is always used in plural. Okay, you, we, they, it tells plural, so that we have to use are. Okay, we are not allowed to use is with plural. Okay, it tells us singular, and wait a second, and are tell us plural. So what question? See everybody, I have done this one. Okay, we, they, you, 2 people I have done this one. So why I have done? It means what, everybody? We have to use are with we, they, you and two people. So that I write this word like this form. That means this. Okay? We are going to Nepal. They are going to Nepal. And you are going to Nepal. Not you is going to Nepal. Not they is going to Nepal. Not we is going to Nepal. Understood? We have to use in present continuous. We have to use are, we, you, they. Understood? Understood, class? In continuous form, HRM plus before. So whatever formula I have written, according to that formula, I am creating sentence. So now see, everybody, I told you where to use is and where to use are. So right now, again, I am going to teach you where to use am. So that one I think you know. Okay. So example number 3. Everybody, now Sudarshan clear?
Yes, sir. Now
Oh,
clear.
okay. So now where to use AMM? That one I will let you know. Okay. I
Sir,
am, yes.
in the example you wrote to going. We are going to Nepal.
We are going to Nepal. Okay, no problem. Sometime, yes. Whenever I write in that time, sometime. Okay, it's not a big mistake. Okay, so now see, everybody, I am eating rice. Okay, so see here, everybody, we have to use am with I only. Okay, with I we have to use am, but he, she, it we have to use it. And we, they, you or two plural person we have to use are and amm with I. So in present continuous we write sentence like this. This is the structure of the sentence. So structure of the sentence is that subject plus HRM plus before plus object. So class, can you repeat with me, everybody? Okay, everybody repeat with me. Subject
Subject
plus
plus
HRM
is
plus
plus
before plus
Before
plus
object. Okay. So class, yes, according to this formula, as I teach you before, likewise, what you have to do, class? You have to make different sentences. Now, I am going to ask few students, so you have to answer me right now. Okay, class?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so yes. Clarissa, okay. Clarissa, can you tell one example of present continuous? Subject is he.
present continuous.
Yes, subject is he. Okay. So now class, I am going to give subject. है subject म आफै दिन्छु त्यो subject अनुसारै तपाईले भन्ने. Subject is he. Now create sentence.
Okay, sir. He
Okay.
is cooking food for his mother.
Very good, very good. He, okay. So according to Clarissa, he is cooking food. Yes, I'm writing only this much. Okay, he is cooking food. For his mother is also correct, but this much only. Okay, he is cooking food. Very good, Clarissa. Subject he is RM is and cooking verb for and object food. So it is clear or not? He is cooking food. So subject is we. Sohan Adhikari, can you tell one example? Subject is we. Now create sentence.
from we.
Yes.
Sir, we are going.
We are going. Very good. We are going to Nepal. Yes.
Sir,
We are going to Japan. Okay, very good. We are going to Japan. So we, see everybody, subject is we and HRM, from HRM, R is present here and going is verb for and to Japan is object. So now another example, Abhipsa 1, 2, 3, can you tell? Subject is what, Abhipsa? Subject, I will let you know. Subject is they. So now,
Sir,
create
she already left.
okay, Stuti Thapa Magar. Subject is they, make sentence. Now, present continuous sentence.
Sir, I did not hear properly.
Subject is they, make one present continuous sentence. Now, sit down and make.
Pen. P-E-N, pen. Sorry, you can ask me.
Yes, okay. Okay, the boss. The boss, subject is they. Okay, make one sentence now.
They are playing football.
Sorry, they are playing football. Please, somebody, your mic is on. Okay, whose mic is on? Let me check it out.
Sir, now you can ask that my network
Okay.
going.
So, okay, first I will ask the boss. The boss, make one sentence by using the subject.
They are playing football.
Very good. They, A-R-E-R, they are playing.
Football.
Very good. They are playing football. So subject is C. 1, 2, 3. Abhipsa, 1, 2, 3. So now tell. Subject is C.
She is writing.
Very good. She is writing also correct. Okay. So see everybody. Okay. Sometime see everybody. Here is no. Yes. Abhipsa Pokhrel. Your sentence is also correct. Okay. Sometime it doesn't matter if there is no object. Okay. He is writing. That also gives sense. That gives sense or not? He is writing.
Yes.
She is writing. Okay.
If you know what is writing, we can directly tell he is writing only.
Yes. He's writing. Okay. He's writing book. He's writing a book. He's writing a letter. Okay.
Later, he is writing a poem.
Okay. He's writing a poem. Very good. So I'm giving, yes. Who is giving this object?
Me,
Very good.
Clarissa.
Okay. Very good. Very good. He's writing a poem. Okay. So now let me ask other student. So let me ask boys. Okay.
Talk.
Okay, let me focus. Okay, so Anmol Kesi,
Yes, sir.
subject is I, make one sentence.
What, sir?
Subject is I, make one sentence of present continuous.
For I. From
Yes.
I.
Yes, I.
I am going to school.
Very good,
Or
very
I
good.
am
Yes, very good, Anmol Kesi. I am going
going school.
school. Very good. So this answer is very correct. Okay, nice. Okay. So Krishna Mokhtan, why are you looking backside? Your turn now. Okay. So subject is he. Make one sentence.
He is eating rice.
Okay, he is eating, eating rice. Understood? Everybody understood present continuous? It is easier or hard?
Sorry, easy.
Easy. Okay.
Very easy.
Very easy. Okay. So let me ask other student. Let me see. Okay. Leah Gurung, I am missing you. Leah Gurung, can you tell one example? Subject is it, eat. Eat. See everybody, we can use it to dog. Okay, I mean to say that kukure lai non-living thing like we can use it. Okay, it is barking, it is roaring, like that. So now
It is, sir, it is beautiful flower.
that is not. It is plus ing we have to use. Okay. It is plus ing.
Sir, it is barking.
Yes, it is barking. Okay. So now see everybody, in verb there is what everybody? Some verb are direct verb and some verb are indirect verb. Okay. So now it is barking is also correct. That it represents dog. Okay. Dog is barking and it is barking same. It is
Yes. You can look at the dog. It is barking.
yes. Very good. It is barking. We can write it is also clear. Okay. Sometimes see everybody. Sometime we don't need.
Positive.
Okay.
remembering it.
Okay, it is remembering. Not. It is barking. Okay. So now see everybody. Sometime we don't need object. कोही बेला हामीलाई object चाहिँदैन क्या object no need sometime. Okay. Understood everybody? It is barking. It is clear. So now one last. I am going to ask one student. Let me see. Okay.
Sisir.
Me.
Yes.
Okay, yes. See everybody, I am going to give you chance. See, right now I have tossed present continuous and in past continuous I am going to ask to new student. So last question I am going to ask Samin. Samin,
Student, sir. Tom is not a student.
okay, Samin.
So,
Yes,
Nishan
sir.
got and to say now who is asking already in simple continuous, present continuous, you would not ask that person in past continuous.
Okay, yes. So now see, Samin, I am using your name here. So use your name and make present continuous sentence. In the name of person, each or are which we have to use. I let you know before. So Samin Thapa. In the name of your, you have to make one sentence. Samin is what? Make one sentence.
Samin is writing a letter.
Samin is